Hi, I'm Mike Gubby. I just thought I'd take this opportunity to show you what some different window coverings look like in this particular home here. Now that I've got the roller blind, I'm going to put the plantation shutter back in that window there. But before I do, I think it's a great opportunity to show you the Australian Made Plantation Shutters. Look fantastic, split tilt rod, 3-panel plantation shutter just there. This is the Australian Made Tuscany fabric, this beautiful ethereal linen look. It's got the Pelmet 95, it's got the silent bottom bar. That bottom bar there is the anodized aluminium, and that's also got the Automate motor, the rechargeable battery motor which sits in behind that Pelmet. Now, this fabric is one that I've got offline. It's a beautiful stone wash linen, and Sally and I have chosen this for our sheer curtains because we've only got the one window covering, and because the park is at the back there, we wanted just to increase that nighttime privacy because you can obviously look through straight into that sort of open living area here. So this stone wash linen kind of just gave us that extra privacy that we wanted at nighttime. Got 5 colors. It's ivory, stone, beige, mist, and cement. This color here is mist, and I just thought I'll show you. This curtain here is in 2 panels. So I've got 1 panel here on the left-hand side and 1 panel here on the right-hand side. But as well as that, this is also fully free floating. So what that means is that I can stack the whole curtain over to that side there, and that's awesome. It gives you great flexibility, and it's also really helpful to clean the floors and do my vacuuming on the floors. Of course, we can bring it back across in that panel, and we can move this one out of the corner and we can clean there as well. So really good flexibility. And with the sheer curtains getting longer and longer now, you really need to think about your panels and your panel widths and exactly how you're going to set that up. So heaps of useful videos on my iSeek Blinds website where I talk about the curtains, the roller blinds, the plantation shutters, and I show you how easy it is to come out with an awesome DIY outcome, and that's what I've been about since 2004. I am a DIY blinds expert. I'm not a pretender. Now, thank you so much for watching these videos. If you like them, please share, please subscribe, and please leave any comments and I'll come back to them personally. Thanks.